Hey, this is Aaron of Square Thunder, and this is episode number 27 of Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. I want to start by thanking our sponsor of today's episode, Squarespace. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a few minutes. Our word today is MOIETY, M-O-I-E-T-Y. Ever heard that word before? We've officially passed the halfway mark of a year of Fast Logo Friday. If you missed some of the earlier episodes, I'll put a link to the whole playlist up here somewhere on YouTube. If you click that, you can see all of the things we've done here on Fast Logo Friday. Moiety means one of two equal or approximate halfway parts of something, or one of the two portions into which something is divided. It's a 15th century Anglo-French word that we kind of stole from the French word moité, which means half or part of something. And the French borrowed it from the Latin word medius, which means middle. From there, we also get other English words like medium or meridian. Today, I'm going to use the word moiety to design a logo for a cognac. I don't think I've ever had cognac before. It's a specific type of brandy, which is distilled from a white wine. In order to be classified as cognac, my understanding is it has to be made from a particular type of white wine or made from a particular type of grape. And then it has to be distilled twice in copper pot stills and then aged for at least 2 years in French oak barrels. So today I'm going to use the word to design a logo for cognac, and we're going to call it moiety. I'm kind of looking for some rich color palettes. There's some interesting letter forms in the word, so it'll be a little bit of a challenge to find the right typeface so that the kerning or spacing between the letters looks proper. So I'll be wrestling around with that a little bit, I expect. Let's dive in and start designing something awesome. Like usual, I'm going to start off with sketching out some rough ideas, and then we'll move into Illustrator and refine all those concepts a little further. And then finally, we'll show the finished logo and some design mockups. If you need an online presence for your business or organization, Squarespace offers all kinds of awesome solutions for that. Whether you're a blogger or you sell products or services online, or you just need to have some kind of a digital brochure, Squarespace has great looking templates that are easily customizable to your needs, your branding, and your style. Your site on Squarespace is easy to update and maintain, and it's going to look awesome on any screen. There's a link down in the description where you can save 10% on your first website with Squarespace. So thanks again, Squarespace, for helping support this channel. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. I'm Aaron with Square Thunder. We'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.